Old notes now invalid? Cryptocurrency meets Amazon. 12 to 13-year-olds are getting gold and silver in Tokyo. AI podcast plus environment. Hello, and my name is Arjinath and you're watching the WYM Daily News. Youth seeks AI help to spread climate awareness. Bihar-born student Siddharth Sarga is an undergraduate student of history at Delhi. He is a keen observer of climate-related occurrences since his school days. He is also set to launch a podcast in Bhojpuri dialect named Dharti Maya. Through podcasts, he wanted to reach out to the rural people in Bihar and UP on climate change. Youth power in Tokyo Olympics. The power of youth is being seen in all its glory at the ongoing Olympic Games in Tokyo. Kids of 12 to 13 are bagging gold and silver medals. And some of them, being 13-year-old Japanese girl, gave her country a gold medal in skateboarding. A 12-year-old girl from Syria was giving the honor of the flag bearer for her country at the opening ceremony. In judo competitions, a brother and sister from Japan, both in their early 20s, bagged gold medals on the same day within minutes of each other. Humanitarian efforts for Lebanon. The small country of Lebanon is going through one of the worst economic crises. It is unable to afford food and ensure for their survival. The Lebanese government has resigned amid growing public anger following a devastating explosion in Beirut on August that killed at least 200 people and injured about 5,000 others. The blast came at a difficult time for the Lebanon, which is not only trying to curb the spread of COVID-19, but is also mired an unprecedented economic crisis. This economic situation has pushed hundreds and thousands of people into abject poverty. Anime opening music was played at the Tokyo Olympics. Despite having a bumpy start full of controversies, the Tokyo Olympics are proving to be a success. The all-over theme of the Olympics is a genius of artistry and combination of colorful and pop. In order of boosting player performance or just the sheer entertainment of it, music from famous anime and video games are played, like Final Fantasy, Kingdom of Hearts, etc. Volleyball-themed anime called Haiku opening song was played in the volleyball match. The popular anime series Demon Slayer opening energized the gymnastic players and many more. We can surely say that this comedic and brilliant scores sure gave anime and video games fans for a run of their money. MediaTek launches a new chip for next-gen tablets. MediaTek has launched a new chip for the next generation of tablets. They announced the launch of Componio 13000T, a chip designed to enhance premium computing experience in tablets. It's also built on the leading 6nm process technology. The chip will allow original equipment manufacturers to build powerful, lightweight and portable tablets for online education, business, streaming services, gaming and AI applications. Amazon may soon allow users to pay in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Amazon may allow users to pay in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin soon as the e-commerce giant is hiring a digital currency and blockchain product lead for its payments team. According to a latest job listing, Amazon's payments, acceptance and experience team is seeking an experienced product leader to develop Amazon's digital currency and blockchain strategy and product roadmap.